Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to reveal to you how you can add a bullet list to your pages and workspaces on Notion. For example, if you'd like to keep your pages well organized with a structure like that here, but with a slightly different example text, of course. So let me show you how to do that really quickly. Head over to Notion and select your page or your workspace on the left-hand side. So let me go with that page here for the sake of this tutorial. And after that, hover or move your mouse where you'd like to place your first bulleted list. So let me place it, for example, here. And after that, simply give the Notion AI the command like this, / and then type in the first few letters of bulleted list. B here should suffice entirely for that. So from that drop-down menu here, select one of these options, bulleted list, for example, or that one here, actually the same. So let me go with that example here and start typing in or filling your bullet points with content, like for example 1, 2, 3, and then press enter to skip to the next one, 4, 5, 6, and the next one, 7, 8, 9, and so on and so forth. And what you want to do, guys, is, for example, if you'd like to move between different levels of these bullet points, you may use the tab key on your keyboard, just like that, to switch to the next level or to move it to the right, and repeat the same process. And again, press tab to move your next bullet point slightly to the right, and that way give your bulleted list a structure, nice organized structure like this, guys. And that's basically it. That's how it works in practice. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.